What's up guys, it's me Rob. Thanks for tuning into the Rob's Knowledge YouTube channel. Today we have a quick air fryer recipe video for you. We're going to be showing you how to make some quick garlic bread, and we're actually going to be using English muffins. So now you can use any bread you want. You can use a regular bread or even just like some hamburger bones or something, but I actually like the English muffins. They're a little bit stiffer, and once you butter them up and stuff and they get baked, they actually provide just a little bit more texture and support for whatever you're piling on them or whatever you're dipping them in or eating them with. So let's go ahead and get a little bit closer and let's get started. So you're going to need, for this, 2 English muffins because that's going to fill up our basket, but obviously you can do this more, you just multiply the ingredients. But 2 English muffins, we're going to need some oregano, some garlic powder, and just some butter, or you'd use probably some like olive oil or something, just need something to spread it. So we're just going to go ahead and split those open with our hands, or you can use a fork if you need to, but I'm pretty good at splitting them open. Okay, and we're just going to butter these up. Once you've got them all buttered, we're going to give them a nice coating of some garlic powder. Sprinkle this over them. I like my garlic, so I like to go a little heavy. You can go however you like, And the garlic powder with the butter also helps to give it a little bit of that crust that you like, or some people like on garlic bread. I like on mine. And we're also going to finish it off with just a few, dashes of oregano. And there we are. We're going to go ahead and throw them in our air fryer basket. So these 4 fit in this little new wave perfectly. But depending on your air fryer, you may need to up your recipe or decrease the quantity. We're going to go ahead and slide this in. Then we're going to go ahead and we're going to set this to 400 for 6 minutes. And that's with no preheat or nothing. So from cold, 6 minutes, we'll have our finished garlic bread. So with preparation, this is done in under 10 minutes, so pretty good. We'll be back with you when this is done. So our air fryer just finished cooking. We're gonna go ahead and pull these babies out, nice and golden brown. And so we're gonna let these cool off for about a minute or two, and then I'm gonna give them a quick taste test. So we got these babies on a plate now. They've cooled down for a minute, and we're gonna go ahead and give them a taste. Perfect, nice golden, slight little crust on top. You got the garlic, the oregano, and you still have a little bit of the melty butter on the inside. That's why I like these English muffins for garlic bread now, actually. Tried them once and I haven't went back. Guys, if this helped you out, please go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. It helps me out so much. Hit the red subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. Until next time, guys, I will see you later. Peace out.